If you prefer complete control over every single parameter of your strategy, SmartAlgo's Manual Builder gives you exactly that. The ability to build a trading strategy entirely from scratch, step by step. Click on Create Strategy and select Manual Builder. The first step is to select your instrument type. Choose whether your strategy will trade in options, futures, or the cash segment. Next, select the script, the specific instrument or index your strategy will trade, such as Nifty, Bank Nifty, or any individual stock. Select the order type, MIS, for intraday trading, where all positions are squared off within the same session, or NRML for positional trades that can be carried overnight. Define the strategy direction, whether it should take only long trades, only short trades, or trade both ways, depending on market conditions. Then configure the strategy timing, set the start time and the square off time. Choose the days on which this strategy should run. You can select specific weekdays or set it to run every trading day. Next, add your technical indicators manually. Choose from a wide library of indicators. For example, let's select RSI, select the specific time frame you want to apply them on, and set the precise condition. For example, whether the trigger should be based on a candle's opening price, high, low, or closing value. Once your indicators are set, define your entry conditions, the exact rules that must be met for the strategy to place a trade. For example, you could set a long entry when the RSI on a 5-minute chart crosses above 30 level. For each entry leg, set your stop loss to cap your downside, your profit target to lock in gains, and your trailing stop loss to let winning trades run while protecting profits. If you want the strategy to also manage its own exits independently, you can define specific exit conditions separate from your stop loss and target, giving you even more precision over trade management. The risk management section lets you set guardrails at the strategy level. Define the maximum profit you want to capture in a day. Once hit, the strategy will stop taking new trades. Set the maximum loss you are willing to accept. Once reached, all activity stops automatically. And set the total number of trades the strategy is allowed to execute within a single trading session. Finally, give your strategy a meaningful name so you can identify it easily in your strategy list. And click Save. After saving, you will have the same 4 options. Run it and practice trading. To test it first, live to deploy it in the real market, pause it to activate later, or delete it and start over.